Hi guys, we're launching our G strategy program from this week, this Monday. So in case you want to join our crash course for the CAT exam, so please call the numbers. Or you can WhatsApp to attend the demo lecture, or in case you want books, mocks, shortcuts, any of the programs. All the best. Alright, last question, very good question. Why I'm giving the exam every year? So there is no age limit. मेरे को देख लो यार, मैं तुमसे I am just hardly 1 or 2 years older than younger than you. Sorry. This is a screenshot. If you want to take a screenshot, this is my scorecard, and this is the blank scorecard. मैं हूँ ही, मैं 1-2 साल छोटा बस आपसे. Okay. All right. So why I'm giving the exam every year? Number one, if I'm teaching you, I should know what is happening in the exam. Okay, number 1 point. Number 2 point, I'll tell you what happened in CAT 2017. You were giving the CAT exam. I was enjoying in Maldives. And if I'm going on a holiday, what I'll do? Apart from, अरे बाबा इतना डिटेल मत जाओ रे बाबा, मत control your emotions भाई. If I'm on a holiday, I'll click photos. तुम साला कहाँ पहुँच जाते हो यार? Fine, I was uploading photo this and that, and 2017 CAT paper was horrible. Imagine I was uploading my photos and my students are like struggling with the paper. After the paper, below my photo जो पब्लिक ने गाली दिया, ओ बेटा जी जो गाली पड़ा, हमारा पेपर तुम घूम रहे हो, ये है वो है. तो भाई पेपर तेरा ना यार, मैं क्या करूं? Why are you pointing the blame on my holiday? That day I realized कि no, I can't take a holiday. Then I realized my parents का scene. When we had an exam, there was no cable TV at home, if you remember. Why? Because if they can watch TV, then we'll say कि हमें भी TV दिखाओ फिर, right? Same way, so that was the reason I give the exam every year. Number one, to apply G strategy, to try different strategies in the exam. Number one. Number two is I want to feel with you. That the tension. I'm also tense यार. On the exam day morning, I'm also warm. तो मैं like मेरी क्यों फट रही है? Fine. तो इसके लिए it's better to give the exam, better to feel the students. That's why I'm giving the CAT and CET exam every year. I'm not that old. मैं तुमसे 1-2 साल छोटा हूँ बस एज में. ठीक है. So this is a CAT का this is a scale score. Yes, it's not your actual score. Okay. See, CET का score निकालना is very simple यार. Google कर लो एक बार. Google में you can find the all CET का score. In CET this year I think I got 90 percentile. My last 3 year is 83 percentile, 96 percentile, 90 percentile, using only G strategy. Only G strategy. The slot कौन सा था? Slot I don't remember. I think slot 1. Slot 1 I think. Okay. So guys, you have enough time. 95 percentile if you can touch, you can get IM calls. I got 12-13 IM calls at 95 percentile. But my main agenda to show you this thing is that using G strategy, you can only reach 90 percentile. Please remember that. Okay. 90 to 99 percentile is your hard work beyond and above the G strategy. Ashwin, give both the exam na. Or let me keep it simple. Using orange books, you can touch 90 percentile. But to touch 99 percentile, you have to master the advanced level books, the pro level books. Alright. All the best. My center was in Navi Mumbai.